Okay, that's very
Yeah.
cool. That's very cool. It's more than 1 minute though, and that's very cool. Thank you so much, Mr. Faisal.
Thank you.
Okay, next one will be Mr. Hassan. Please, time is yours.
Okay, Miss. Okay, in in my room, I have bed, a bed, a bed, and for the pillow on the bed,
Yes,
I
correct.
have yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I have also television, Mas, ya. Television
Yes.
on the wall, and I have uh clothes rack, uh, clothes rack under
Ah, mau bilang
television.
ini ya,
Rak baju,
lemari, lemari
rak
ya,
baju. Iya,
rak
rak
baju,
baju sih, Mas. Iya.
rak baju is lemari, is it?
No, no, no.
Rak baju.
Iya. Uh,
Oh,
Cupboard another room, Miss.
rak baju. Oh, rak baju seperti ini ya. Saya lihat di Google. Oke. Rak baju yang menggantung seperti itu ya, bukan?
Yang ini sih, Miss, kayak untuk anak kecil. Kayak keranjang-keranjang gitu lah.
Oke, bolehlah close rack,
Iya. Iya.
close rack. Boleh.
I
Tulisnya.
have
Oke, close
I
rack,
have
close rack.
one unit. I have uh, air conditioner on the wall. Yeah.
Great. Again.
Uh, that's it, Miss.
That's it. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Very good. Kayaknya sudah di luar kepala ya untuk preposisi ini. Sudah di luar kepala untuk preposisi. So before we have in, on, under, and then below, beside. Beside ini bisa kok kita pakai next to juga ya. Next to bisa, beside bisa, and then between, among, etc. Okay. Okay, very cool. Very good. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Sepertinya ini akan menjadi ini ya, akan menjadi banyak yang asing ini. There are so many things that are foreign to you guys for this one because I'm going to show you the phrases here. Can you see the phrases? Bisa dilihat frasa-frasanya?
Yep. Useful phrases.
Okay, have we learned about this before? Not yet ya, should be. Atau sudah?
Apa, Miss?
Have we learned about this before or is it new for you?
Not yet. It's a new thing.
Okay, great. So, guys, I'm expecting you to memorize, to remember, to make it stick on your head, yeah, to make the phrases stick on your head. So I only have 2, 4, 6, um, 8, 10, 10 phrases that you need to remember for tonight, okay? Uh, so we have 10, yeah, 10 phrases for the first one, elephant in the room. Elephant in the room. Elephant in the room is a big problem that everyone knows, but they ignore it. But they ignore it. Ini adalah masalah besar yang semua orang tahu tapi dihindari. Itu adalah elephant in the room. Elephant in the room, gitu. Terus, in a hot water. In a hot water itu artinya dalam masalah besar. Ini bisa sambil teman-teman ikuti ya. Nanti nggak apa-apa sambil di silent aja. Cuma I'm expecting you guys to pronounce it as well. To pronounce it clearly. Silahkan. Jadi sambil saya pronounce, sambil teman-teman juga ikuti ya di sana di tempat masing-masing. So the first one is elephant in the room. Jadi bukan elephant ya. bukan elephant, tapi elephant in the room. Masalah besar, semua orang tahu nih, semua orang tahu masalah ini, tapi ya udahlah, nggak usah, never mind gitu, never mind, it's alright, terserah gitu, kayak dicuekin aja gitu. And then also in a hot water itu, it means that we are in a big problem. Padahal kenapa nggak bilang in a big problem aja, atau apa gitu, yang lain yang familiar? Karena ini yang saya sebutkan ini, yang saya tulis di sini itu adalah kalimat yang sering dipakai malah di sehari-hari. If you guys watching Netflix, for example, kalau misalkan sering nonton Netflix ya, if you guys often watch Netflix, then you probably know some of them. Mungkin teman-teman akan tahu beberapa frasa-frasa ini. Karena frasa-frasa ini natural, it's very natural. Saya nggak mungkin kasih frasa-frasa yang jarang dipakai ya, yang tidak ada gunanya. Saya akan kasih teman-teman frasa yang apa yang sering dipakai di daily life gitu. So, later on if you watch Netflix, you will understand what it means gitu. Terutama yang berbahasa Inggris ya. So, kita lanjut lagi on thin ice supaya teman-teman, so that you could remember it easily, so that you could remember it easily. If you stand in a thin ice, then you will what? You will fall. Anda akan jatuh seperti itu. Anda akan jatuh. If you are fall, then you are in a dangerous situation. Kalau Anda jatuh berarti Anda dalam situasi yang berbahaya karena Anda berdiri di atas thin ice, di atas apa tuh? Thin ice, ice yang thin, ice yang tipis gitu. So, you are in a dangerous situation. Okay? In a hot water, tadi dalam masalah besar, ini sering ketukar soalnya nih. So, please remember ya, in a hot water, dalam masalah yang besar. On thin ice, itu dalam situasi yang berbahaya. Nih, bahaya nih situasinya nih, gitu. Okay. And then, in the same boat, mungkin ada yang pernah dengar in the same boat?
New, this new form.
Sorry?
Baru dengar.
Oh, baru dengar. Oke. In the same boat ini juga sering sekali terulang-ulang ini. Di film, di iklan di YouTube itu sering banget diulang. In the same boat. Kita ada di situasi yang sama. Kita sama nih pemikirannya nih gitu. We are in the same boat. Kita ada di situasi yang sama, kita ada pemikiran yang sama, terus kita kita bernasib yang sama gitu. Terus kamu sama aku sama aja. Misalkan kita kerja sama nih, kita kerja sama di belakang, tapi orang itu nggak tahu. Don't forget, we are in the same boat gitu. Jangan lupa kita itu ada di situasi yang sama loh ya. Kita itu kerja sama loh ya gitu. Jadi bisa bilang seperti itu. We are in the same boat. Terus under the weather. Familiar? Are you familiar with under the weather?
No.
Oke, ini juga sering banget disebut ini under the weather. Artinya kurang sehat. Bisa nggak bilang sick? Bisa nggak bilang I am sick? Bisa, tapi it's very common ya. Dan yang sering dipakai itu memang I am under the weather. I am under the weather. Weather, ya, bukan weather, tapi weather. Under the weather. Misalkan ditanya, kenapa nggak masuk hari ini? Sorry, I am under the weather. Terus over the moon ini sangat senang sekali gitu. Makanya dia terbang sampai ke bulan gitu kan. Senang sekali, over the moon. Nah, ini juga nih. Ini biasanya cewek. Nah, di sini nggak ada yang cewek ya kecuali saya. Behind my back. Behind his back, behind her back. Itu artinya melakukan sesuatu di belakang seseorang secara diam-diam pastinya. Misalkan yang paling sering dilakukan itu adalah ngomongin orang di belakang gitu. Terus atau mungkin kalimatnya seperti ini. Saya tahu kok kamu ngomongin saya di belakang. You can say, I know you are talking behind my back. I know you are talking behind my back. Gitu. Jadi bisa pakai ini nih. Nah, terus at the end of the day artinya pada akhirnya. Terus in the long run, dalam jangka panjang saya mau program ini seperti ini. In the long run, I want this program blank 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 blank. Nah, seperti itu. Alright, okay. I want you guys to memorize it for a moment ya. Saya ulangi lagi, silahkan di memorize ya sambil saya jelaskan. Elephant in the room, masalah yang besar ya, masalah yang besar yang semua orang tahu tapi dicuekin gitu aja, dihindari gitu. Mending nggak usah lah gitu, nggak usah ikut campur gitu. In a hot water itu dalam masalah yang besar. Terus on thin ice itu in a dangerous situation. Out of the woods. Aduh, kita ke ini kelewatan tadi. Out of the woods itu artinya keluar dari masalah. Out of the woods, keluar dari hutan ini. Kalau kita artikan secara mentah, woods ini artinya hutan. Out of the woods. Kalau kita keluar dari hutan, means that we are out of the problems, gitu. Itu cara cepat mengingatnya ya. Out of the woods means out of the problems. In the same boat, artinya kita ada di situasi yang sama nih, gitu. Kita ada di situasi yang sama. Eh, kita senasib, gitu. Atau kamu dan aku itu sama loh. Jadi jangan apa ya, jangan tusuk di belakang, saling tusuk di belakang gitu. Terus under the weather artinya kurang sehat. Over the moon, senang sekali. Behind my back, di belakang seseorang. At the end of the day artinya pada akhirnya. In the long run artinya dalam jangka panjang. Let's see how we use it in daily conversation ya. Oke, sip. Ini akan berdua-dua nantinya. Boleh Mas Riki dengan Mas Faisal, coba boleh Mas Riki itu A, Mas Faisal itu B.
Okay. Hey, can we talk for a second? I feel like there is an elephant in the room.
Yeah, I think we both know what it is. The project is not going well, and honestly, I'm already in hot water with the manager.
Same here. If we don't fix this soon, we're going to be on thin ice.
True, but hey, true, but hey, we are in the same boat, so let's not panic.
I agree. At least we are not completely stuck. We are not out of the woods yet, but we still have a chance.
Exactly, but to be honest, I have been feeling a bit under the weather lately, so I haven't been at my best.
Oke, great. Oke, yang ini ingat kalau misalkan ada kata ini artinya apa?
To be honest.
Sejujurnya.
Sejujurnya, exactly. Dibacanya kita kita hapus yang H ini. Nah, O ini kita ganti menjadi A. Jadi bacaannya adalah honest. Jadi to be honest.
To be honest.
Yes, exactly. Betul. To be honest. Nah, terus tadi ini yang berdua ini dibacanya adalah both.
Both.
Yes, exactly. Very well. Okay, Mr. Hasan, you will be with me. You will be okay. You will be B. I will be A.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Hey, can we talk for a second? I feel like there's an elephant in the room.
Yeah, I think we both know what it is. The project is not going well. And honestly, I'm ready in hot water with the manager.
Same here. If we don't fix this soon, we're going to be on a thin ice.
True, but hey, we're in the same boat, so let's not panic.
I agree. At least we're not completely stuck. We're not out of the woods yet, but we still have a chance.
Exactly. But to be honest, I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately, so I have not been at my best.
Great, great. Okay, good. Okay, maybe I need Mr. Faisal to translate this one.
Hai, uh, bisakah kita berbicara sebentar? Saya merasakan berada dalam masalah besar.
Okay, okay. Masalah besar. Is it masalah besar? Elephant in the room?
Elephant in the room.
Yes, masalah besar betul sih. Yang semua orang tahu tapi
Yang sama orang tahu,
Dihindari.
tapi dihindari.
yeah, exactly. Okay. Mr. Ricky, please, yang B.
Iya, saya pikir kita berdua tahu apa itu project. The project is not going well. Projectnya nggak jalan baik, dan sejujurnya saya udah berada dalam masalah dengan manajer.
Okay, great. Okay, Mr. Hasan.
Sama di jika kita tidak memperbaikinya secepatnya, kita akan kita dalam situasi berbahaya.
Okay, again, back to Mr. Faisal.
Benar, tapi hey, eh, kita ada di situasi yang sama.
Great,
So let's not. Jadi jangan panik.
great. Okay, Mr. Ricky.
Nah, saya setuju. At least we are not complete. Setidaknya kita nggak benar-benar stuck atau terhambat. We are not out of the woods. Kita belum apa tadi ya? Out of the woods.
Kalau kita keluar dari hutan berarti
Eh, kita belum benar-benar. Kira kita.
Keluar dari masalah.
exactly.
eh, kita belum keluar dari masalah. eh, tapi kita masih punya peluang.
Great. Okay, last one, Mr. Hasan.
Tepat sekali gitu. Tapi sejujurnya saya merasakan kurang sehat akhir-akhir ini. Jadi saya berharap melakukan yang terbaik gitu, Mas.
So I haven't been at my best, artinya jadi sekarang saya tidak berada di performa terbaik saya, gitu. Okay, very good, guys. Now I want you guys, three of you, ya, three of you, to make a conversation. Silahkan setiap orang itu harus bertanya ya. Nanti setiap orang itu harus bertanya. And the theme is temanya adalah hmm, your current activity. Is it working? Is it studying? Ya, silakan, boleh. Dan yang akan memulai pertama adalah Mas Faisal. Boleh bertanya kepada either Mas Hasan dulu atau mungkin Mas Riki dulu. Boleh. Tapi nanti tanya dua-duanya ya. Karena ini adalah conversation between three people. Oke, among three people. Itu dia.
Ngomong.
Yes, karena lebih dari dua ya. Oke.
Oke, let's start. Hello, Mr. Ricky. Hello, Mr. Hasan.
Halo, Mr. Faisal.
Halo, Mr. Faisal.
Yeah, how are you today, Mr. Ricky?
I'm great, thank you. How about you, Mr. Faisal?
I'm great. And how about you, Mr. Hasan?
Yeah, I'm good, Mr. Faisal.
Oh, apalagi. Gimana ngomongnya ya?
Gantian ya. Kalau misalkan temannya stuck bisa ini, bisa 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 yang lainnya langsung bisa masuk ke pertanyaan ya.
Harus
Pertanyaan.
stuck.
Oke. Oke, silahkan Mr. Ricky mungkin atau Mr. Hasan mau bertanya boleh.
Anything, Miss? Atau temanya apa tadi? Sorry.
Yes, anything tapi nanti akan akan di apa percakapannya itu arahnya nanti ke kegiatannya saat ini, entah itu pekerjaannya, are you guys doing well in your job or whatever.
Oke,
Gitu.
oke, oke.
Nah, nanti harus ada ini ya, harus ada yang ini, phrases yang ini gitu. Oke, silahkan.
Hmm. Oh, ini. Today, apa ya? Oh, okay. Today I have meeting about AI today. Yeah, I have meeting about AI today in room X. But I think there is an elephant in the room. Apa itu? Regarding whatever the room is at, belum siap. It's not ready.
Oh, what is it? What is the elephant in the room that everybody knows about?
Ah, because my room not the room is not booking, belum belum saya booking.
Oh, so you are in a hot water then?
Ah, ya, bingung jawabnya.
Oh, Miss, nggak apa-apa kan pakai bahasa Indonesia campur-campur?
It's alright, it's alright. Eh,
Ya, ya,
ya, boleh.
ya.
And then nanti jangan lupa ke Mr. Hasan ya. Mr. Hasan juga boleh jump in.
Okay, yeah, it's big trouble because the room not ready today because I let to booking.
Oh, so what is your manager says about it?
Ah, apalagi itu ya. Saya belum berbicara dengan manajer lagi. Gimana ngomong bahasa Inggris? Campur aja ya.
Campur aja.
Saya kalau belum apa?
I haven't,
Not
have
yet,
not.
I
have not.
I'm not talking with my manager.
Okay, I have not talking to my manager
Have
yet.
not talk.
Seperti ini.
Yeah,
Nah,
I have not talking. I have not talking to my manager yet.
yes.
How to how to out of the woods this problem.
How to get out of the woods.
Oh, how to get out of the woods.
Okay, great. Mr. Hasan, you can jump in. Hello, Mr. Hasan?
Hello, hello, Miss.
Yes, you can jump in. Boleh bilang apapun. How to, tadi pertanyaannya itu apa?
Tadi belum booking ruangan. Terus bagaimana caranya? Ruangannya belum siap, belum ready. Terus bagaimana keluar dari masalah ini karena ruangannya full hari ini.
All right, great.
How to get out of the woods.
How to get out of the woods.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Hasan, you may answer.
Benar gak ini tapi Miss? So, so how kalau kalau ditanya how at the end of the day bisa Miss?
Apa?
Atau solution finally?
Uh, Boleh boleh kasih solusinya seperti apa. Tapi kalau nggak tahu, bilang aja. Sebenarnya saya tidak terlalu tahu sih tentang itu. Tapi sepertinya kamu dalam masalah yang besar, misalkan gitu. Coba. Oke, you may say that. Boleh ditranslate yang tadi.
Yeah,
Sepertinya saya.
actually, I don't know how the solution for you, Mr. Faisal.
Hmm.
Uh, I I think you in hot water gitu, Mas.
Yes, I think you are in a hot water. Great.
I think you are in hot water.
Yes, great.
Oh yeah, I'm in hot. I am are apa?
I
Are in
am.
I am are in hot water.
Oh, I am in a hot water.
Oh
Uh,
langsung.
Tidak perlu pakai are.
Hmm. I am in hot water now. Yeah, and maybe Mr. Ricky, you have solution for this trouble.
You said earlier that you haven't talked to your manager.
Oh, okay. I can try talk with my manager.
Yeah, just tell him the truth and uh, tell him the situations where the room is for today. The room is fully booked, right?
Oh, okay.
Or the problem is you forget to book the room.
Yeah, the problem is I'm forget book the room. Yeah. How about you, Mr. Hasan? You don't have solution from for me?
Yes.
In my opinion, you you should talk what your manager gitu gitu, Miss.
Yes. Great. Great.
Yeah,
Great.
you talk what manager earlier. So this apa? Kalau in the long run bisa gitu, Miss?
Bisa, of course. In the
Ya,
long
in
run,
the long
dalam
run.
jangka panjang.
Ya, dalam jangka panjang you shall
Oh,
ya
oh,
maksudnya
mau
you
bilang.
shall talk white manager earlier
Oh,
gitu.
oh, no, no. Kalau begitu berarti next time, pakai next time. Lain
Next
kali.
time.
Ya, next time.
Next time you talk white manager earlier gitu.
Yes, great.
Okay, I can try it. I'm over to the moon for because I have a solution from who uh, di antara kedua. Ya,
Nah, di antara kedua berarti pakai
we
between atau among.
Between
Yes,
between
yes.
between you. Yeah,
Between both of them.
between
between both
both of
both.
them.
Yes, very cool.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, great, great. Stop there. Okay, great, great.
Between.
Oke, sudah untuk frasa-frasanya very well. Okay, now I want you guys to tell me about something ya. Pakai ya ya ini speaking aja ya, speaking aja by yourself berarti boleh bilang misalkan actually I am currently in hot water with one of my colleague atau with one of my um office mate gitu ya, teman kantor saya, and it makes me uncomfortable every time I go to work because I actually um I'm close with him atau her gitu. And etc. 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 For 1 minute ya, minimal 1 minute. Boleh boleh apa? Boleh mencantumkan lebih dari satu untuk frasa-frasa ini. Oke, jadi minimal satu dan minimal satu frasa, minimum one phrase, and then minimum 1 minute for you guys to speak. Maybe I will start with Mr. Faisal.
Mm, talk with Mr. Hasan and Mr. Ricky or only me?
Only you, because it's speaking. Karena ini speaking, jadi satu saja. Jadi menceritakan gitu. Menceritakan
It's
yes sesuatu. Nah, menginclude atau memasukkan dengan memasukkan frasa-frasa yang ini, memasukkan satu frasa atau dua frasa gitu, dan berbicara minimal 1 menit. Okay, please, time is yours.
okay. Wait, I need to think. Uh, mm, in my in start. In my office, start from my office. Every morning I say saya menyapa, menyapa. I'm greet the all people if sampai sampai di ruangan.
Okay, once I arrived in the room.
Once arrive in the room,
Yes, great.
okay, and then we we and then we if we have a meeting at the pelaksana meeting,
Pelaksana meeting.
the implementation ya no
What do you want to say?
uh, di ketika untuk ketika mau meeting pelaksana meeting
Oh, when
membuat
the meeting is going to start.
when the meeting belum start mau ya ketika mau ada meeting
Ketika akan ada meeting.
ketika akan
Ya,
ada
benar, benar.
ya
The
ketika
meeting, when we will conduct the when we are going to conduct the meeting, when we are going to conduct the meeting, saya tuliskan ya. Ketika kita akan melaksanakan meeting seperti itu ya.
ya
When we are going to conduct the meeting seperti ini.
when we are going to conduct the meeting uh, uh, each implement kalau pelaksananya apa Miss?
Yes, the implementation, betul.
It, each implementation harus
Must.
masih ya
Yes.
harus harus lagi each implementation must book Hamin 1 hari apa ya
Oh, we must book the room 1 day. We must book the room 1 day before the meeting starts.
we must
We must.
we
Mhm.
we must
Yes, we must book seperti ini.
we must book
We must book the room 1 day before the meeting starts. Nah,
we must book the room
mhm.
1 day before the meeting start
Yes, great.
and He, he or she can confirmation from email in confirmation from email Hamin 1 jam.
1 hour before. Nah, kalau
One,
kalau H-1 tadi 1 day before, kalau 1 jam sebelum berarti
1 hour. Oh,
yes, 1 hour
1 hour
before.
before the meeting start.
Yes, very good.
At the end of the day, eh banyak itu apa ya?
Banyak, remember? Sama seperti uang.
Many, many,
Yes.
many. At of end the day, at the end of the day, many people forget to confirmation uh, for booking room.
Mhm. Very good.
Uh,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
of the apa ya? Udah sih kayaknya.
Okay, very good. That's cool, Mas Faisal. Sebenarnya ada vocabulary yang actually actually you know it. Sebenarnya Mas Faisal itu tahu itu apa, tapi tiba-tiba kok apa ya gitu. Ya kan, should be like that.
Oke.
Kayak banyak-banyak itu sebenarnya sudah tahu, tapi karena karena harus mengucapkan jadi sambil mikir, sambil ini jadi ya exactly. That's
Oh, oke oke oke.
yeah, exactly.
Harus
That's why
biasakan
that's why it needs yes, that's why we need practice. Itulah kenapa kita perlu praktis. Padahal sebenarnya udah tahu nih vocabulary. Kita udah tahu apa itu meja, tapi tiba-tiba ngeblank pas ngomong.
Ah,
Karena
iya.
yes, because we rarely to speak karena kita jarang berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris gitu. And that's
Ah,
okay karena itu bukan main main ini ya, main main it's not our mother tongue, tapi memang lumayan bahasa Inggris ini cukup berguna terutama di business in the job. So I think it's worth it for you guys to implement it in your daily activity. That's cool, Mas
hmm.
Faisal.
So
Along
ini,
the day, yes,
mother tongue, what is mother tongue?
mother tongue itu bahasa ibu.
Bahasa utama gitu.
Yes, betul. Mother tongue. Mother, ibu, tongue itu lidah. Nah,
Hmm.
mother tongue itu bahasa ibu. Mother tongue kita
Oh.
misalkan bahasa Indonesia. Nah, gitu.
Oke oke oke. Thank you, guys.
Cool. Thank you so much, Mas Faisal. Okay, next one, Mr. Hasan, please. Time is yours.
Okay, Miss. uh, I I have some problem in
Right.
the office because the some project will delayed.
Yes.
Mm. There is elephant in the room. The project is delayed. Bisa kayak itu? Miss?
The project is delayed and
Iya,
it's misalkan ini adalah misalkan the project is delayed and there is atau mungkin ada selain projectnya delay ada juga isu sensitif yang semua orang tahu
iya,
tapi
iya.
dihindari. Ya,
The
bisa bisa.
project is
Cool.
delayed and safety and deliver material.
Mhm.
Hmm. Harus semua kata-kata ini, Miss ya?
Nggak harus semua tapi boleh ini boleh boleh satu tadi kan sudah satu tuh boleh
Iya,
eh, boleh cuma satu aja tapi keep keep speaking in English. Boleh bercerita dalam bahasa Inggris.
oke.
Mhm.
Uh, the the contractor. The contractor is in hot water because the work is too too slow. Bisa gitu, Miss?
Yeah. Yes, very good. Good job. The project is too slow, bisa.
Iya.
And then
Um, s- and some supervisor. It's
mhm.
also underwater.
Okay,
Bisa gitu, Miss?
betul, under the weather.
Iya, underwater lately gitu.
Yes.
Ya, tapi gimana lagi?
Okay. You may if it's enough, then you can say, yeah, that's it I want to tell. Kalau misalkan cukup, boleh bilang that's it.
But this week we we plan meeting with my manager and all staff construction.
Right.
We have the apa kalau membahas lupa lagi saya.
Apa?
Membahas.
Membahas, we are discussing. We
We
do.
are discussing about the problem.
Right.
That's it, Miss. Udah.
Oh, very cool. Good job. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Hassan. Thank you. Last but not least, Mas Ricky.
Okay, Miss. Maybe for these sessions, I would like to tell about a little bit about my work and my situation that I faced this early days. Yeah. Uh, okay. This from a few months ago, my office or my workplace, we have some problem with the third party vendor that before that they are working on the project that assigned to them, but because they have some issues, and these issues is something like elephant in the room, because everyone knows it, but no one no one dare to talk about it, because it's like a management thing, and etc. So in that case, the third party vendors are kicked out by our company, and then all of the projects that the third party vendor worked of it before are given to my teams. My teams, but because the project is the timeline of the project is so tight that we should launch or release this project before this year's end. So we are really in a hot water because this is a big project, and by our calculation, we cannot finish this project before this year's end. So, but from the top manager, they pushed us. They told us that we should um, finish this project before the end of the year. So that's I think it's a situation that I um, I am facing right now. It is I am on thin ice actually because this project I was assigned as the what would we say assigned as the um like Scrum Master, if you know about it. So I have to manage this project so it meets the timeline expectation. Maybe that's all.
Okay, very cool, Mas Ricky. Thank you so much. Good good job, everyone. Good job. So you are now able to speak in English more than 1 minute. Okay, that is a good step, guys, because we still have another meeting and I'm going to train you guys. Nanti saya akan latih teman-teman supaya so that you guys could confidently speak in English and then could fluently speak in English, bisa berbicara dengan lebih fluent lagi gitu. At least one or two steps than you were before joining this program. At least satu langkah atau dua langkah sebelum teman-teman itu memulai program ini. And that's actually good, guys. Okay, don't forget these phrases because these phrases are very useful, ya. Sangat useful. It'll be useful in your daily activity because in fact, the foreigners often use these phrases in their daily activity, especially for the professional yes the for the professional things and then for daily conversational. Nah, both of them, yes, bisa. You can use it for both of them, professional and daily activity. All right, guys, before we finish the class, sebelum kita selesaikan kelasnya, is there any question that you want to ask maybe? If there is, then please say it in English, yeah. Nothing? Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, very good, guys. Okay, all right.
Clear.
Yes?
Clear.
Okay, very cool. Okay, then that's it for today. Thank you guys for coming to this class. I hope you continuously joining this class in order to improve your English speaking skills because to improve your language skills, it needs consistency. And then, yes, consistency is very important other than practicing. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this class. I hope to see you next week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
you.
Thank you, Mr. Faisal. Thank you, Mr. Hasan.
Thank you, Miss Rizky.